Here's how to get rid of junk files when you're running low on disk space. Go to Start Bar, click on Settings, System, then choose Storage. Now the storage sense, if it's turned off, turn it on, then configure storage sense. Now over here you can get rid of all the junk files you have immediately. You can actually click on Free Up Space Now and it will clean your PC right away.
Convert a document to PDF format. Open the document you want to convert and then click File tab. Click Save As. Select where you like the PDF to be saved. I will select Document and then click a drop down arrow. Select PDF from the drop down menu and then click Save.
How to close a hanging or stuck program in your PC. Go to the search bar, type Task, click on Task Manager to open. Then from here, select the application that you want to force quit. So for example, I'll use Microsoft Word. Then click on End Task. And that way, Word will be closed. The program that was hanging will be closed. How to convert a PDF document to Word. Now locate your PDF document in your files, then right click on it, go to Open With. Now if you don't see Word on the top apps, go to choose another app, More Apps, then locate your Word app. Now mine is at the top, so I'll click that and click on OK, and it will tell me that it will convert my PDF to an editable Word document. Click OK and it will be converted into Word. Now after you make your changes, you go to File and you want to save it as a Word document. Go to File, click on Save, and you'll see it will save itself as a Word document. Then click on Save.
Here's how you can record and save steps on your PC.
To do this, go to the search bar, type Steps, then click on Steps Recorder to open. Now this will pop up. You can start recording. So let's start recording. And I'll go to my File Explorer, open it. Go to Desktop Files, Downloads, Documents, Pictures, and then close the File Explorer. Now I'll stop my recording. It will bring me the recorded steps that I took while I was recording. So it will show them in picture form like below. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and so on. As many steps as you took, it will show them one by one. And then it will give you additional details on what you did. Now, this is very helpful if you're trying to show someone or to teach someone who's far from you how to use a certain app or program on their PC. You can record the steps and then save them here, over here. Save them wherever and then send it to them so that they can see how you're using your program. And you can now make changes to it. This is how to. Go to the Start menu, click on Settings, go to System, then Notification and Actions. Now here you can edit your quick actions, and by doing this you can change the position of your apps or anything, and then click on Done. And by doing that you've changed the arrangement. You can also, if you've been getting annoying notifications from different apps, you can come and turn them off from here. Or if you want notification from certain apps, you can turn them on from here and make your changes. Hi guys, let me show you a quick computer hack that you wish you knew earlier. Now go to your PC and on your keyboard press Windows R. Now this will pop up and then type MRT, then click on OK. Give it time and then this will pop up, then click on Yes. Now this will help you to run and check whether your desktop has any viruses, and then it will help you to clean it. So go for Next, click Next, and it will start scanning your desktop. Let me show you a quick simple procedure to check what kind of OS you're using, your processor and your RAM. So go to the search bar and type System. and then click on System Information to open. And here you have all that information displayed. Now this is the type of OS I'm using. I'm using Windows 10. This is the processor that I'm using, and remember, the more updated and the more powerful your processor, the faster your computer can complete its task. And if you go down here, you'll see the RAM. And this is the RAM. My RAM is at 8 GB.